Hello, my name is Desislava Dimitrova and I'm the CEO of Lopianco Company. Our story started with the mulberry leaves, silkworm's favorite food, which helped my mother successfully serious health problem provoked by the use of antibiotic treatment. Antimicrobial resistance associated with excessive and inappropriate use of antimicrobials for human and animal health costs approximately 33,000 human lives in the EU every year. We created our innovative Avevita product, which is fully organic and efficient to solve this problem. The product is designed to replace the antibiotics in poultry daily feed. Its main ingredients are a specific mix of active bacteria and insect protein powder. The silkworm pupae is the main waste stream from the raw silk fiber production. The Avevita product is solving a significant problem related to human immune system and health, and is motivating us to change the traditional silk fiber production with a smart circular model. This is a significant step for the whole textile industry in the EU that will give sustainable and organic raw fiber for the textile and clothing sector, and at the same time boosting rural development and well-being of people. The most significant added value of the Avevita product is the positive effect that this product will have on the feed and textile industries. Thank you for your attention.